Photographers, imagine your photography business not just surviving but truly thriving. I want you to picture this. Picture a beautiful studio, a studio that fuels your passion. It's the thing that gets you up in the morning. It rewards your talent and it gives you the freedom you dreamed of when you first picked up that camera. That dream, it's no out of reach. I'm Kenny Martin. For many, I'm called the studio doctor. Why is that? Well, it's because I help photographers like you transform that vision into a real, tangible, profitable and fulfilling reality. My own journey in this incredible industry started way back in 1985, and I've navigated exhilarating peaks, the character building lows, and the many what the hell was I thinking moments. I've built massive high volume powerhouses and intimate boutique studios, and also a high-end home portrait operation. I was the first Scottish portrait studio to break 1.5 million in turnover. I even took the leap as Europe's first fully digital studio, a move that cost a fortune way back in 1997 with Phase 1 cameras. But through all those experiences, one truth emerged crystal clear. My deepest passion isn't just about my own success, but about empowering yours. It's about helping you build a photography business that works on every level, creatively, financially, and personally. One that gives you back your time, your energy, and your joy. That's the heart behind my mentoring program, the TCMPA. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. Success will not come instantly. I never pull the wool over my studio's eyes. It takes real dedication and real hard work, 6 months often, to see the impact that it's having. But if I told you anything else, I would be lying to you. Now, there's no doubt that I'm one of the most expensive mentors on the photographic circuit. Why is that? Because it actually works. Check out the many testimonials on my Studio Doctor website, and you're welcome to speak to any of them. Just ask. It's a simple blueprint forged in real-world success, helping hundreds of photographers across Europe not just grow, but simplify, create amazing customer journeys, and genuinely flourish. We dive deep into everything. Amazing marketing, generating consistent leads, mastering pricing and sales that not only feel, but are actually authentic. And designing a client experience that creates real advocates for your studio. So whether you're just starting out with big dreams, or you're an established professional feeling stuck and yearning to scale and reclaim back your life, or simply reignite that spark, I totally understand and I'm here to help you. Now, this community and my YouTube channel are your resources for strategies that actually deliver. There's no nonsense, there's no theory, it's just proven, actionable advice and behind the scenes insights that will genuinely move the needle for your studio and your life. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start building that extraordinary studio to achieve the success and the lifestyle that you deserve, then you're in the right place. Subscribe to me on YouTube, but firstly, sign up for my free Studio Doctor business community by clicking join free on the website. Let's not just talk about success, let's do it together.